So here in this question, to solve this problem, we can use the equation of Q, which is heat lost by ice, and the heat lost by ice is calculated as the heat gained by water. The heat gained by water plus the heat gained by calorimeter plus the heat gained by calorimeter by calorimeter because the heat is transferred to the water and calorimeter. Now, the heat gained by water can be calculated using the formula Q gained by water is equals to the mass of the water into the specific heat capacity of the water, that is Cw, into the change in temperature of the water, that is delta Tw. And the heat gained by calorimeter, the heat gained by calorimeter is equals to the mass of the calorimeter into the specific heat capacity of the aluminium, which is represented by Cc, into the change in temperature of the calorimeter, that is T delta T C. The heat lost by ice can be calculated using the formula Q lost by ice is equals to mass of the ice into the latent heat of fusion of water, that is Lf, plus the mass of the ice into the specific heat capacity of water into the change in temperature of the ice. And substituting these equations into the initial equation, we get mass of water into specific capacity of water into change in temperature of the water, that is delta Tw, plus the mass of calorimeter plus the specific heat capacity of calorimeter plus the change in temperature of calorimeter is equals to the heat lost by ice, that is mass of ice into Lf plus mass of ice into specific heat capacity of water into delta T, or change in temperature of the ice. Now we can plug in the known values, and that is 0.310 kg into 4.184 joule per kg per degree Celsius into change in temperature, that is 17 degrees Celsius minus 20 degrees Celsius, plus 0.085 kg into 0.902 joule per kg degree Celsius, plus change in temperature, that is 17 degrees Celsius minus 20 degrees Celsius, and that is equals to the mass of the ice into 334 joule per gram into 4.184 joule per kg degree Celsius into change in temperature, that is 17 degrees Celsius minus of 8.5 degrees Celsius. And this gives us the mass of ice is equals to 0.060 kg. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.